Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have chart, indicator, and account access. Now place a new order. Right-click the price level or click the Buy/Sell button, then choose Order Ticket. In the ticket, enter quantity, order type, and initial price. Once done, look for stop-loss fields. Make sure to set stop-loss as absolute price or pips, according to your strategy. This gets you into the order workflow quickly and prepares the exact fields you'll need to finish your stop-loss setup. Now specify how you want the stop-loss calculated. Choose percentage, fixed price, or use ATR for volatility-based distance. You can type the stop price in the ticket or drag the stop line on chart until it aligns with your risk. Make sure to recalc position size if risk changes. Adjust quantity so that the dollar loss equals your target risk. Once set, review estimated loss and confirm that stop sits beyond normal noise, not too tight or too. Finish by submitting the order and verifying the stop loss appears on chart and in orders panel. If the stop doesn't trigger, first confirm your broker connection and that the order type is supported. Then check trading session times and price feed source. If problems persist, cancel and recreate the order or set an alert to manual exit at the level. Make sure to document the execution and update your trade log. This helps you learn if stop placement or platform settings caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.